Hello YouTubers, it's Chris. It's been a while. I picked up this run-of-the-mill basic Craftsman push lawnmower. Nothing remarkable about it. We can get the model number here. It's a 9917. What do we have? 388980. Came with a bag. Let's have a good dump find. I have a pile of bags that don't match lawnmowers and a pile of lawnmowers that don't match bags, but this one had them both, so this is good stuff in my book. So we're just going to kind of go through this quick. It's missing the bale bar here. I'll get to that in a second. First thing I'm going to do is just check the oil real quick. A little bit in there. Gas is bone dry as expected. Yeah, we'll put some gas in there. Hopefully it doesn't all come pouring out the carburetor. I'm hoping this is going to be a quick start. All right, that's good enough. Perfect. Let's avoid any grief. Just have a quick look in here. Make sure this is not disgustingly clogged up. That's fine. For this, if it works good, I've got a bunch of other ones. I buy these things by the gross. Good stuff. Yeah, just tighten this up. And then we'll get to this broken bale bar, missing control bar, whatever you want to call it. So, yeah, this is missing. And if we just kind of manually pull this, I can see that this apparatus is working down here. So that's fine. So this cable seems okay. It's not seized. And in true Tenacious C fashion, not wanting to spend a nickel on this, I found this old kind of control bar here. And it doesn't fit. It's just too, you might say the yellow bar is too thick or the hole is too narrow of a diameter. And I could either grind this bar down or I could drill a deeper hole, but I don't want to screw with it too much. And a drill bit would probably cost me a few bucks. So I went and I picked up an $8 aftermarket one. And let's see what's going to happen here. So hopefully it fits. Geez, it's like these things are poking out either side here. I mean, I'll return it if it doesn't, I suppose. Looks like somebody had the same idea as me because it's already poking through. What's this little? Oh, is that nice protection? Little bale bar condom. So let's yeah, that fits. And that fits. Flip it up on it. All right, so we put that on there. So I did that, just kind of goes right on. And yeah, all right. Brilliant. We'll hit this primer bulb a few times. And while it's still wrapped in the package, push this down. Well, good luck here. Cheers. All right, let's see what happens. Put that down there. Hold the phone here. Grab this guy here. Hot dog. So, well, I guess I'll have to decide if I want to keep this. I think that's the honest thing to do, even though it was only $8. Instead of, I could send it back. Nah, I won't do that. And I could just kind of drill the hole and fit this one in here. Whoops. It's sort of the same thing. But anyway, that's it. That's my quick fix lawnmower. Nice high wheel push mower. Everything seems to work pretty good on it. Thanks for watching, and there you go. Learn how to put a control bar on. Simplest thing in the world. Cheers, guys. All right, let's just start it up. Do a pass on the lawn. Here's my new bar. Seems to be working good. Took the bag off. See if we can do this. Anyway, you get the point. Once again, looks like another score. Thanks for watching. Cheers all.